brought to you by the Community Recreation Division of Arlington Parks and Rec. My name is Miss Emily, and it's Full Steam Ahead Week. Did you learn what STEAM stands for yesterday? Can we go through it together just for me? Okay, all right, so the S stands for what? I think I heard science. That's right. What does the T stand for? Technology, yes. What does the E stand for? Did somebody say engineering? That's the right answer. And then the A is for what? Art. That's right. And the last one, M, what does that stand for? Yes, math. So science, technology, engineering, art, and math. So today, all of our games are going to be fun, active games that are going to have numbers, colors, and shapes.
For today's activities, you will need 4 pieces of paper, each in a different color, and 1 black marker. Before we begin, let's go over today's expectations. Number 1, try your best. Try every game once, have fun, and play along with me. Number 2, be safe. Make sure you have a clear open space to play in. Number 3, be kind. Use a low volume inside voice so you don't disturb others in your house, and clean up after the game.
Our warm-up game today is called Finger Speed Sums. Before each round, we're going to do 5 seconds of some kind of a warm-up. So you can run in place, you can do jumping jacks, you can do squats. Once we're done with our 5-second warm-up, what we're going to do is put one hand behind our back and then take the other hand, and we're going to pick a number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. So I'm going to pick a number and you're going to pick a number. You will have 10 seconds to add my number plus your number and come up with a sum. At the end of 10 seconds, the answers will come up on this side of the screen. So for this practice round, we're going to show you how it works. We're going to do our warm-up for 5 seconds, and during those 5 seconds, that's your time to think of a number. After those 5 seconds, you're going to stop and put your number out with your hand. Then you'll have 10 seconds to figure out what my number plus your number equals. Are you ready to try? Okay, I'm going to do jumping jacks, but you do whatever you want for 5 seconds. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then put out your number. Now you have 10 seconds. Add your number plus my number, and the answer will show up on the side of the screen. All right, are you ready for round 1? Okay, round 1. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job! What number did you get? Wow. Okay, all right, are you ready for round 2? Okay, round 2. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so now we're getting not just our bodies warmed up, but our brains too. This time I'm gonna switch it up. I'm gonna do squats. Are you ready for round 3? Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, round 4, second to last round. Are you ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, last round. Are you ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job! Hopefully your brains and your bodies are warm for our next 2 activities. All right, are you ready for our next game? Perfect. This game is called Number 4 Corners. The way we're gonna play this game is we're gonna have our 4 papers that mark out our 4 corners. The 4 corners are both numbers and shapes that have the same number of sides as the number in the middle. So, our first corner is what shape? That's right, this is a triangle, and a triangle has 3 sides, so the number in the middle is 3. Our second corner is a square, that's right. So it's a square, and a square has 4 sides, so the number in the middle is 4. Our third corner is a little harder. What's the name of this shape? Right, this is a pentagon, and it has 5 sides, so the number in the middle is 5. Our last corner is a hexagon, and a hexagon has 6 sides, so the number in the middle is 6. So, to get started, grab your 4 pieces of paper, draw the shape and the number on each piece of paper, and come back. You can pause the video, don't worry, I'll be right here when you get back. Welcome back. So, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your 4 pieces of paper that now have shapes and numbers on them that match mine, and you're gonna put them in 4 corners throughout the room you're playing in. For the first round, I'm gonna call out a number, and you're gonna go to the corner that has that number in it. You're gonna have 5 seconds to get to that corner, and then we'll start the next round. Are you ready to begin? All right, our first corner is 6. And 4. Run to 5. Run to 4. Run to 4. Ah, did I trick you? Good job if you stayed in your corner. Run to 3. Run to 6. Run to 3. Run to 6. Run to 5. Great job. Are you ready for our next round? Okay, so the next round is shapes. So instead of running to a number, I'm gonna call out a shape and you're gonna run to that shape. So So just to go over again, this is a triangle, square, pentagon, and hexagon. Okay, we're gonna begin our shape round right now. Triangle. Square. Pentagon. Hexagon. Pentagon. Triangle. Triangle. Square. Pentagon. Hexagon. All right, our last round is an addition round. I'm gonna give you an addition math problem, and the answer is going to be one of these numbers. So if I say 1 plus 2, where are you gonna go? That's right, 1 plus 2 is 3. So you're gonna go to number 3. So this one takes a little bit more time. So we're gonna give you 10 seconds in between each round. Ready? Go. 1 plus 2.
The correct answer is 3. If you're on square number 3, give yourself a pat on the back.
2 plus 2.
The answer to this problem is 4.
3 plus 2.
The answer to this problem is 5.
4 plus 2.
The answer to this problem is 6.
3 plus 3.
The answer to this problem is also 6. If you stayed on the 6th square, great job.
1 plus 4.
The answer to this problem is 5.
3 plus 1.
The answer to this problem is 4.
3 plus 0.
The answer to this problem is 3.
5 plus 1.
The answer to this problem is 6.
0 plus 4.
the answer to this problem is 4.
5 plus 0.
The answer to this problem is 5.
6 plus 0.
And the answer to our last problem of the game is 6.
Isn't math really fun? The best part about this game is you can play in many different ways and at many different math levels. So you can pick different numbers, you can pick all kinds of different shapes, you can do multiplication, you could do division problems, you could do subtraction problems, you can do anything and you can keep the math fun going at home. It's always important to cool down and calm your body after a fun activity. Today's cool down is called 5-finger breathing. You don't need any supplies for this activity, just find a comfortable chair to sit in or you can stand like me. You're going to take one hand and pull your fingers as far apart as you can. And then you're going to take your other hand and place it on the bottom of your palm. So we're going to do this in stages. The first stage, you're just going to go up each finger and then down each finger for 3 seconds. Are you ready to try with me? All right, put your hand on your palm. Up, 2, 3 for your thumb. Down, 2, 3. And then your pointer finger. Up, 2, 3. And down, 2, 3. For your middle finger, up, 2, 3. And down, 2, 3. And then your ring finger, up, 2, 3, and down, 2, 3. For your pinky finger, so the last one, up, 2, 3, and down, 2, 3. Good. For our second round, we're gonna breathe in through our noses on the up, and then out through our mouth on the down. All right, so let's start from the beginning. Hand on your palm, breathe in, 2, 3, and out, 2, 3. 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 Last one. In, 2, 3, and out, 2, 3. All right, so since you're experts now, I'm gonna count you through it and you're gonna do it on your own, okay? Ready? In, 2, 3, and out, 2, 3. 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 And then last one, in, 2, 3, and out, 2, 3. Great job!
Today's challenge is to try more breathing exercises at home. Breathing exercises can help not only calm us down like it did today, but can also help us manage big emotions. If you're nervous, try a breathing exercise. If you're upset, try a breathing exercise. If you're excited, try a breathing exercise and get back to your normal, calm self. To learn about more breathing exercises and other self-regulating activities, visit our Therapeutic Recreation Facebook page at facebook.com/ARLParksRecTR.
Thanks for playing with me today. I had so much fun. We'll see you tomorrow at 11 for story time.